Hey Cajon drummers, and welcome back. Today we're going to answer the age-old question of, can it be amped? So I have a giant Marshall, check, giant Marshall amp. That's what, basically this video needs. Giant Marshall, check. Snare wires, not your normal snare wires. So if you can see right in that middle hole there, I've actually put in some, like a guitar pickup, and then that guitar pickup is gaffer taped to the back, and then that runs to this little jack right here. And, well, are you ready? Let's see what happens when we turn it on. Give it a second. Ooh. Interesting. Man, this is a cool amp. Hey, if you know anything about guitar amplifiers, maybe you're interested in seeing what levels I have on. It's very hard to see because of the reflective panel, but yeah, that is a cool amp. Hey, we're gonna try another amp. We're gonna try this Roland right here. This one is a jazz chorus, and I'm kind of interested to see what a bit of distortion and reverb does. So let's plug it in. And here's the amp settings for those of you who know a little bit more about what they mean. This one is just on off. Oops, let's not have that feedback. Reverb, distortion, bass, middle, treb, volume. going through that channel. I didn't use channel 1, but channel 2 is the one with the effects. Roland Jazz Chorus 120. If you have any suggestions for amps or like pedals that you think I should try out, let me know down in the comments. Well, this was an interesting experiment. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my experiment. I was a little bit scared before I did this. I had no idea how that was gonna sound, but I think it's got potential. It's got potential. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.